Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Stumble Guys app, and you will click here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.